Master the art of entertaining with Briston's homemade bartender, cocktail, and mixed drink recipe cards. It's the perfect system for people who have always wanted to expand their knowledge of mixology and learn the tricks and tools used by professionals. This pack comes with 52 glossy, durable, water-resistant cards featuring all of your favorite classic drink recipes, as well as exciting new concoctions for you to try at home or when entertaining. Even a total beginner will be able to quickly and easily create delicious mixed drinks by gathering the list of ingredients and tools outlined on the card and following the detailed instructions. There's even a high-quality image of the cocktail on the back of the card to demonstrate each drink's ideal presentation. Get this comprehensive mixology concoction guide today and master the art of entertaining with Briston's homemade bartender, cocktail, and mixed drink recipe card deck. Briston, inspiring learning through engaging and effective tools.